Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to pull off a fun and safe computer prank using a simple VBS script. Let's get started. First, open Notepad and type in the following script. Save the file with a .vbs extension. This script will display the message box 10 times and then stop automatically. Double-click the .vbs file to run the prank. The message box will pop up with the message pranked, a total of 10 times, and then stop. Show this to your friends and watch their reactions. It's a fun and harmless prank that stops automatically after 10 iterations. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this prank, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun and tech tips. See you next time.